Getting started with HTML5 charts in Jasper Reports and Jaspersoft Studio. Part 4, Hyperlinks. Basic hyperlinks in HTML5 charts. Just like other elements in Jasper Reports, HTML5 charts allow you to create hyperlinks. The basic concepts for hyperlinks is the same as in Jasper Reports, but there are some nuances that you need to keep in mind. In this video, let's go over these simple concepts before we will move on to something more complex. To start to the demonstration, let's take this chart that we've previously created and go to Edit Chart Properties. This is a very simple chart with just one category expression ship country and one value expression order ID with aggregate function distinct count. It's not a complex chart, nothing special at all, just like in previous videos, so we can see the preview here. If you can see, it's a very simple bar chart. To create hyperlinks, we would need to go to this Data Configuration tab that is already open. Just like other aspects of HTML5 chart configuration, Hyperlink also has a basic mode of editing and advanced mode. In this video, we will be discussing only the basic mode so far. To create a basic hyperlink through the basic editor, we can press this Edit Hyperlink button. This will bring us to this hyperlink definition dialog. And to enable the hyperlink in the chart, we will need to check this box to true. This will show us two drop-downs, hyperlink target and hyperlink type. We need to define both. Hyperlink target specifies the browser behavior when we will be clicking on the hyperlink, what the browser will do, how it will try to open it. We have four possible options here. Self means that the browser will try to open the hyperlink in the same viewer that it is currently. Blank means it will open it in a new viewer window. So self means that we will open it in the current tab, and blank means we will open it in a new tab or a new window. And then you also have top and parent. This means that the document to which the hyperlink points will be opened in the parent or top frame respectively. This is used often with iframes, but there are other uses for this depending on the design of your page. So for this demonstration, we will select blank so that the browser will open a new window when we click on the hyperlink. And now we have to select the type. There are 6 types, excluding this none type that does nothing. There is type reference, which points us to a remote document at some remote location specified by the hyperlink reference expression. And there is a local anchor, which points us to an anchor somewhere, defined somewhere in the current report or current document. The local page points us to the page number within the same report or the same document. Remote anchor and remote page do the same thing as local anchor and local page, except for a remote page, which is specified by the hyperlink reference expression. So it doesn't look for an anchor in this document, looks for an anchor somewhere else. And then there is the type report execution. This type is only used on Jasper server when you're deploying the report to Jasper server, and is pointing you to a report that is also located on the same Jasper server, and you can pass the parameters to that report through this menu. This hyperlink type is used when you are creating drill down reports. So for this demonstration, let's do reference. And here in the hyperlink reference expression, let's type our URL. Here we are presented the basic Jaspersoft Studio expression editor. And here we need to write a Java expression that will return us a string with the URL to which our hyperlink points to. So let's say in our scenario we want our user to be able to click on one of these bars and uh, get a Wikipedia article about the country from the category. So how do we do that? So first of all, let's open the quotes. This is a string, and we will write the Wikipedia address here. And then let's concatenate the ship country field value to this string to get this expression. And let's press finish to see what we get. Let's press OK. Let's refresh the preview. And now when we hover over the bar, we see the cursor changes, which means it's a hyperlink. But what happens when we click on it? We get a new browser window with the Wikipedia article for this country. So let's click on something else. Let's click on Portugal. And here we get a Wikipedia article about Portugal respectively. So in this video, we've learned how to create hyperlinks using this Edit Hyperlink button. We've learned about the different targets and types and how to write your expression. In our next video, we will discuss more advanced techniques of hyperlink creation, and such as usage of hidden measures and how to link the serious values to the hyperlink. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.